guys, Mr. Pig here, and today I'm not doing a Minecraft video, but however, I'm going to show you how to download a texture pack for Windows 8 computer. Yeah, so, oops, why would I open Word? Close it, close it. Okay, so, what the heck? Close. Okay, first you just search up your texture pack. For example, I want Simplecraft. Craft download, and then it'll be like this. So if you want to be exact, you just type in 1.7.10 or just do 1.7.4. It's the same thing. Oops, shoot. Okay, so you just go to Simplecraft resource packs. Well, when I downloaded Simplecraft, I did not come here, so let's not go to here because something might go wrong. So Minecraft texture packs. Oops. No wonder. Texture packs. See, it's like this. You should have this when you search it up. You go to the bottom, you go to page 2. Scroll down. And it should be right here. You click on it. As you see, it's really simple in the pictures. And that picture and that picture. Anyways, what you want to do is download. I already have it, so you just click run and then stuff like that. So I'm going to cancel it. But anyways, once you have it, you should get, whatever. You should have it right now in the folder. It should open Simplecraft. Then okay, so for example, I'm just going to do it. See, like this, Simplecraft downloads. And it's right here. I already have it right here, see? So you just copy it, click copy, and then you go, okay, let's just delete this. You go to, the easier way to get to resource packs is going to Minecraft, but I do this way. %app data %, and then click enter, and then you should have your Minecraft. Then you click Minecraft, scroll down, and then you say resource packs. You paste it. I already have, you paste it right here, and then you should have it. Then you open Minecraft. Anyways, you open Minecraft. See, now and then, see, I already have Simplecraft on. You go to options, resource packs. It should be right here. But I already see it's like it comes like that. But if you want to apply it, you just click this button. And then you should have it. Voila. Minecraft. Anyways, guys, you should really keep Simplecraft. It's simple. So if you want another texture pack, do the exact same thing, but just download the other texture pack that you want. So anyway, guys, hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and be sure to comment.